If you're seeing Facebook error code 956, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that can help you get back in and keep using Facebook normally. This is a simple step-by-step guide, and the good news is that most of the time, this error can be resolved in just a few minutes. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the fastest fix first. Refresh the page by pressing F5 on your keyboard. A simple reload can often clear temporary issues that cause the error to appear in the first place. If you're on a laptop or phone browser, you can also tap the refresh icon in your browser and try again. If refreshing doesn't work, the next thing you should check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can easily trigger loading problems and error messages on Facebook. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and if possible, switch to a more stable network. You can also try opening another website to see if your connection is working properly. Now, if the page is still showing error code 956, try logging out of Facebook and then logging back in again. This can help reset your session and clear any temporary account or authentication issues. Once you log out, close the browser completely, reopen it, and sign back in with your account details. After that, check whether the error is gone. Another very useful fix is to try Incognito Mode, also known as private browsing. This is helpful because it opens Facebook without using your saved cookies, cache, or extensions that may be causing the problem. To do this, open your browser menu and select a private or incognito window, then go to Facebook and log in again. If Facebook works there, the issue may be related to your browser data or an extension. If the error still appears, you may want to clear your browser cache and cookies, especially if Facebook has been working strangely for a while. Old temporary files can sometimes interfere with loading and create errors like this. After clearing the data, restart your browser and try Facebook again. You can also test a different browser or device. Sometimes the problem is not with your Facebook account at all, but with the browser you're currently using. Try switching from Chrome to Edge, Firefox, or Safari, or open Facebook from another phone or computer if you can. That can help you narrow down whether the issue is device-related or account-related. If none of these steps work, wait a little while and try again later. Facebook can occasionally have temporary server-side issues, and error codes may disappear on their own once the service stabilizes. In many cases, these simple checks are enough to fix the problem. So to recap, refresh the page, check your internet connection, log out and log back in, and try Incognito Mode. Those are the main steps to fix Facebook error code 956 quickly and safely. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.